Dronegun Tactical. When you see this amazing gun, you might think that it fires unusual projectiles, like square-shaped bullets for example. However, the Dronegun Tactical is not a projectile weapon, but a portable drone mitigation device. Its main advantage is that it neutralizes drones in a careful and absolutely safe manner. It creates a powerful signal that mutes the antenna installed on the drone. When hit by the signal, the drone activates its safety mode. The video recording stops and the drone lands immediately. Or it returns to its operator and helps track their location. Either way, it doesn't cause any damage to the drone. The Dronegun Tactical has an impressive range of 2 kilometers. The design is portable and only takes a couple of seconds to set up. Sikorsky Raider X. The helicopter you see on the screen allows us to imagine the future of these air vehicles. This is what the most technologically advanced helicopters will look like in the following years. The Raider X from the American company Sikorsky is a concept designed specifically for the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft program initiated by the US Army in 2018. An unusual feature catches the eye at first sight. In addition to 2 coaxial rotors, the helicopter has a pusher propeller at the rear. The pilot seats are located one behind the other. This design allows the hull to be narrower, improving the aerodynamics of the helicopter. This, together with the powerful GE T901 engine, allows the helicopter to reach a maximum speed of 463 km per hour. Maneuverable and sensitive to the pilot's commands, the Raider X hovers at low speed and brakes and accelerates faster. Caliber Mark IV and the T7 L3Harris. Ensuring a high level of security for people who risk their lives every day is a priority, especially when it comes to the work of intelligence services. The machines you see on the screen right now are perfect for this task. The Caliber Mark IV and T7 robots can enter places that are too dangerous for people. The Caliber Mark IV has been developed by Canadian specialists from iCore Technology. On the other hand, the T7 robot's been created by engineers from the American company L3Harris. However, both perform similar tasks. First of all, they work with cars. The robotic platforms can lift cars, tow them, break windows, puncture tires, or open the boot. In other words, they can eliminate any threat. The Caliber Mark IV is able to remove an explosive object from the interior and carry it to a safe distance. If this is not possible, the T7 L3Harris comes into work. The device not only transmits video to the operator, but can also perform simple manipulations. This allows experts to defuse a bomb inside the car. The robots are compact and can travel over difficult terrain, which means that they can reach areas that are difficult to access. The Sig MCX Virtus. This rifle has been specifically designed to meet the needs of security services. It has a modular design, so it can be individually configured for specific tasks. The manufacturer states that there are over 500 possible configurations. The stock has a folding and adjustable construction, so the rifle can be used by any shooter. The thick barrel and the 2-stage trigger improve accuracy. In addition, the MCX Virtus by Sig offers amazing reliability and wear resistance. The developers guaranteed 20,000 shots without having to replace any parts. Numerous tests and trials have shown that the rifle can withstand even the most severe conditions. It has been immersed in mud, water, sand, it's even been frozen, and yet it has continued to function flawlessly. Polaris Dagor. Although Polaris is known worldwide for its ATVs, it also creates high-quality military equipment. The Dagor is an ultra-light off-road vehicle designed for carrying infantry. The vehicle has an optimal size to be transported from one place to another in a military transport helicopter. Despite its compact size, the Dagor has been designed to transport up to 9 people. We would like to highlight the weight to payload ratio of the vehicle. The total weight of the vehicle is just under 4 tons, while being able to tow loads of up to 3 tons. The load on board can be up to 1,800 kilograms. The manufacturer points out the excellent maneuverability and the outstanding ability to move on difficult terrain. The Polaris Dagor is the perfect vehicle for taking soldiers to rough spots quickly and efficiently. Multi-mission Railgun. The last and most amazing military invention we'll show you is a weapon of the future. A few years ago, the American company General Atomics finally finished assembling and testing a multi-purpose compact railgun. In the future, it will be used by the Navy. Engineers are offering several modifications to eliminate different targets, regardless of the difficulty level. The standard version of this railgun has a power of 10 megajoules and fires kinetic metal projectiles. The version for attacking marine and land targets uses hypersonic kinetic projectiles. And finally, the last version will fire explosive projectiles with tungsten balls inside. This version is more cost-effective than the traditional one when it comes to eliminating aerodynamic and ballistic targets in the air. Finally, we'd like to explain how a railgun works. It's a weapon that uses electromagnetic forces to launch a projectile. It has a longer range, and the acceleration rate is higher. The projectiles are smaller, which makes them easier to store. They're also less explosive than standard projectiles, which increases the ship's lifespan. ENVG-B Goggle. Special military units don't have normal working hours. They may have to perform tasks at any time of the day, even at night, when it's more difficult to ensure the proper level of security. The ENVG-B goggles are a perfect night vision system for these situations. They are equipped with the latest light amplification technology, which helps you to see clearly, even if lighting is minimal. In addition, the thermal channel detects people using the heat coming from them. Both images can be superimposed on each other, providing almost perfect visibility. Triton 850. We've already mentioned a military land vehicle today. Now we want to talk about a waterborne vehicle. The Triton 850 is a development of the Canadian engineering company Straight Group. This ship can be used for a variety of missions. For example, it's ideal for patrolling. If necessary, a weapon system, a scaling ladder, a thermal imaging camera, a recording camera, and a wireless communication system can be installed on board. The manufacturer offers various configurations, for example for anti-piracy or tactical work. Up to 10 passengers can be on board. The maximum speed is 100 km per hour. The ship also has 2 engines with a total output of 500 horsepower. Quantum Stealth. Humans have been dreaming of invisibility suits and cloaks for many years, and although it's too early to talk about a truly comprehensive invisibility technology, there are already breakthroughs in this field, like Quantum Stealth from the Canadian corporation Hyperstealth. They didn't use any magic to create this almost transparent material, just the laws of physics. You're looking at a lightweight, paper-thin material that works based on Snell's law. We won't bore you with the complicated details. Let's just say that the material refracts the light in a special way. The person looking through it can only see objects that are very close or very far away. This means that the object in the middle becomes virtually invisible. We must emphasize that it doesn't disappear completely. However, the quantum stealth distorts the background, and that is enough. For example, it can be used to create police shields.